Hello and welcome to LabVIEW Advantage. For the nearly last 4 decades, National Instruments has been serving its customer with LabVIEW and other tools. And for the first time in last nearly 4 decades, NI has now become more bolder and they have came out with a new logo. And here it is. It looks green. It looks modern. For me, like, it looks very great. So you can also write down in the comment below how do you feel like. Apart from that one, NI has also revamped its website. If you go to the website, you will find something like this. So it's all green, teal green, I believe this is the color. So as you can see, there's a welcome message. This only pops up for the first time you visit the website. And let me just explore you. As you can see, it looks very bold, engineer ambitiously. As you can see, like everything looks green, nice. And all the products, and finally the community as well. It looks really great. So please tell us, like, how do you feel about the National Instruments new logo and then the website in the comment below. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe for the future LabVIEW videos. Thank you.